Look, I'm not here to mess around, to joke around, or give you stuff that doesn't work. I'm here to give you factual, real-life stuff that you can implement today to ensure that you look better. And the best way, listen to me now, the best way to increase your appearance, to look more confident, is to invest in your grooming habits. Invest in how you take care of yourself every morning and every night. Today, I'm gonna give you the 6 most effective grooming secrets. Secrets that you'll only learn after doing this for years. I'm gonna give you these secrets, boys, so you can start implementing them tonight or next morning and just see how much better you're gonna look. If that sounds interesting, let's hop in. Number 1, I want you to start blow drying your hair upside down. This is a grooming hack that any dude could start doing if you want to increase volume in your hair. As you know, the best way to create these awesome hairstyles that you see on Instagram or from your favorite influencer or celebrity is to add more volume. Flat hairstyles look dull and just uninterested. With volume, you can add structure to your head and face shape to make yourself look more attractive. Number 2, try a natural hairstyle. I don't know if you've been noticing, but now more than ever, curly and wavy hairstyles are in. Every single dude is trying them, even, well, even your own boy. And you want to know what? It's kind of refreshing. And it's relaxing because guess what? I don't have to spend hours in the bathroom styling your hair. So if you want to break up the norm of that perfectly styled hair, try something natural. Especially if you already have natural curls or waves, let them loose and let them free. All you want to do is condition them with some sort of leave-in conditioner and then apply a curling cream, something that's going to enhance your curls and make sure that they stay hydrated throughout the day and it doesn't just look like you rolled out of bed. But right now, boys, the trend for 2020, what you're going to see across the board is that more and more men are going towards curly hairstyles, and to the point that perming your hair is starting to become popular. Number 3, this is simple. Whiten your teeth. Look, boys, a smile, it is the gateway to any great interaction. If you have a white smile, I promise you, your handsomeness is gonna jump about 2 to 3 points. A clean white smile is a sign of good hygienics, but also a clean white smile is a sign of good genetics and hygiene. 2 things that women find irresistible. And even though most of us might have a somewhat yellow smile from all the coffee and tea and soda that we might drink, you can whiten it at home with the at-home whitening system. They have a system called their Stellar White Advanced Teeth Whitening System. This is the system that I've been using, and this is like their highest end system. And it comes with everything you need. This system alone has seen results of up to 7 shades whiter when you use it, and you only gotta do it for 15 to 20 minutes. Boys, if you want a wider smile, you gotta check these guys out. If you guys click the link down below right now, they're gonna offer you a 90% discount so you can pick up this entire kit for $70. If that system is too much for you, I suggest you try out their other whitening system. This one, you can also use the same code, which will take 90% off. Again, this is insane, and you can pick it up for around $30, and it's still a great whitening system. Plus, they'll even give you a charcoal activated toothpaste that's great at also keeping your teeth white every single day. If you guys want to check them out, click that link down below. Number 4. Trim your nose hair. This is that one unforgotten region of your body that almost no guy actually takes care of. But me, I'm 25. I started getting long nose hairs around end of 24. So this is something that most guys start experiencing in their early to mid 20s, but yet nobody takes care of. You do not want to be on a date and have a long ass hair coming from your nose, because she won't be able to concentrate on anything else, and all of a sudden, like I've said always, they go off on a tangent. They build stories in their head. So if they see that, they're just gonna start imagining, like, what else does he not take care of? Where else is he extra hairy that he shouldn't be hairy? This is why having proper hygiene, trimming your nose hairs, and ensuring that everything is on point is crucial to always look better. And I'm gonna hook you up, boys, because our company, Grooming, has the best nose trimmer that you could ever pick up because it's minimal, it's small, and it's effective. In 2 seconds, you can trim that up with ease. And if you guys check out our reviews, you'll see why it's such an amazing nose trimmer, which again, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. Number 5, change your underwear. This is one of the most basic hygienic processes that a guy can do, and it's insane that most guys will wear the same pair of underwear 2, 3, even 4 days in a row. That is disgusting. Not only does it smell bad, but once it starts stretching out, you're probably getting wedgies all day long. Here's the thing, boys. I don't know about you guys, but when I put on a fresh pair of boxers, it is this confidence that comes from within, especially if these boxers are high-end boxers that make you look good. You want to look good in your underwear alone, because guess what? You just never know. You always got to be ready. And finally, number 6, again, this is a pro level one, use eye cream. Most guys aren't even doing the basics of washing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. So if you're one of those guys, I want you to start with that. But if you got that packed down, I want you to take it a step further to really look handsome, to really look better, and add eye cream to your nightly routine. See, eye cream is great for treating those dark eye circles that look horrible. Moreover, eye cream is great for anti-aging because, see, even in your early 20s, you start getting these small little fine lines around your eyes because the skin around your eyes is super fragile. So that's where it starts cracking first. If you use eye cream now, you're gonna ensure that you look amazing forever. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out White with Style. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.